Let's consider this example topic for the persuasive speech. Imagine that your topic is to persuade your audience that they should wear sunscreen. So what would a reliable source be for this persuasive topic? We want sources that provide reliable information on why you should wear sunscreen. This is our information need. A reliable source could be something from the medical field, from an established doctor, a research group, a hospital. It could be something from a nonprofit organization who provides materials about the topic for public health. So let's look at an example article. I found this from ProQuest Central, which is a database that you have access to through the CPCC library. Remember, you need to find up to 2 journal articles for the library research assignment. This is a journal article. You also need to evaluate each of your 5 sources for the library research assignment. These evaluations can help you determine how to use the sources in your speech. So let's do an example evaluation. Here's an example article on sunscreen benefits called Regular Sunscreen Use is a Cost-Effective Approach to Skin Cancer Prevention in Subtropical Settings. First, let's consider the authors and the authority of the resource. Notice this article has several authors, which we see here at the top, and they have notations beside the author's names. When we scroll down the page, we'll see what those notations mean. These authors are affiliated with medical institutes, schools of medicine, universities, and other organizations. This section establishes their credentials on the subject. This section also shows us that the work was initially submitted and revised, and then published and accepted, which implies that it was edited and reviewed in some manner. Next, let's consider where this work was published. We can also find out the publisher information here at the bottom of the page. This piece was published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology. You can always look up individual information about specific journals to see their publishing guidelines, and that will help you evaluate the publisher. Finally, let's remember to consider the accuracy of the source. Let's check the article for references or evidence. As we scroll through the article, we see there are charts and tables which show some kind of research was used within the article. There are graphs, materials, and methods, which shows that some kind of study was done, an analysis, and then at the end we see references. We see several citations and even information on conflicts of interest. There's also acknowledgments. This would be a credible and reliable source that we could use to persuade our audience that sunscreen is beneficial. Now complete the question and watch the next video.